Hey everybody, welcome back to Landshark Garage. The other night, after having a few too many sarsaparillas, I was surfing Facebook Marketplace and found a 20-year-old GMC two-wheel drive Chevy pickup that was pretty reasonably priced, so I did the wrong thing and bought it after looking at two pictures of it. And we're gonna go try and retrieve that vehicle right now, so you might as well come along on the journey. Here we go. So anyway, 1992 GMC two-wheel drive Chevy pickup, 305, throttle body injected, 700R4 transmission, regular cab, long box, blah, blah, blah. Guy that owns it said it ran out of gas and he lost interest in it. I've seen it run. It's not a long ways away, but we're gonna head on over there, see if we can get it running and bring it home. We're probably gonna use that motor and transmission for some other project. There's some title issues with it, so I'm probably not going to be able to title it. I've always wanted to put a throttle body injected motor into a car or something just for a cruiser and mess around with that. Everybody's doing LS swaps. Nobody does TBI swaps, but I'm not looking for performance. It's just going to be a cruiser. So we're going to grab it up while we got a chance. Hopefully we can just throw some gas in it and a battery at it and drive it home. But we'll take a look when we get there. It'll be fun. Yeah, it's like very cold out and windy. So yeah, this will be a hoot. Like I said, a little chilly out here, northeast South Dakota today. This is probably one of the only will it runs you'll ever see from Landshark Garage, because we don't usually do them. We don't usually buy them running. We usually buy them right straight out of the trees with no motor in it. So we got the old 02 Tahoe, got all the important stuff. Battery, jump box, pair of gloves, stocking hat, the old DeWalt air compressor, because I know it's got a flat tire. I got a hold of the owner and he put a couple gallons of gas in it, which is to my benefit, I guess. I don't know. I don't have a trailer along, and if it doesn't start and run, I don't know what we're gonna do. Like I said, 305 with the throttle body, so it's not a powerhouse, but I think it'd make a good little motor and transmission for a project. I thought about putting it in my 49, but we're already building the motor for that, so we're gonna put this one in inventory. How's that sound? Maybe we can find something to pull that motor and transmission out of. It's got a fairly nice seat. I mean, well, fairly nice seat, and them old OBS, you know, 88 to 95 regular cab seats are great for projects like the 49 and the 68. So we'll just go over there and take a look. We better hit the road if we're gonna get there. It's a drive. Here we go. We gotta come around. There's a hideout. Got that all put away for the winter. Had a little snow. It's all went away when we got some sunlight. Gotta go around this corner and then we're gonna hit the road and see if we can't get there. Man, I just don't feel like driving a long ways. Oh, wait, no. There it is right here, I guess. So, as you can see, should be fairly straightforward as far as getting it to my house, since it's only a block and a half away. But let's get out and take a look at this thing. All right, ugly tan and maroon Hoosiers. Like I said, two-wheel drive, a little junky right there. Seat's not horrible. Looks like there's probably been some door issues over there. Haven't got that far yet. This Hoosier's flat. Probably won't put any wind in that till we get ready to go, because it goes flat all the time. So, long box. Tonneau cover ends right here for some reason, so I'm not sure what's going on there. Got a battery that's leaking all over the place. Yeah, she's got the old chrome mirrors. See, that seat don't look too bad. Sorry for the wind, but kind of a bare bones package. Got the Sony stereo sitting there. A little bit of nothing in the whole thing. I mean, headliner's all gacked up, but battery in her now. We can we can get it to run, we can take it home. These Hoosiers though, huh? And then this, look at that. K&N cold air intake. That's got to be good for like 2/10 at the racetrack in a 305. The old Econo power in there. Top post, jump box along just in case. We're gonna jump in and see what happens here. That is ugly. That part works. Probably takes a little while for the fuel pump to get some life up there. 170,000. That battery's in good shape. Guy I bought it from borrowed me a battery because I had a side post and thinking that's what it was. All right, let's. Not sounding like it wants to fire. Kind of makes you wonder if the fuel pump is working. Alright, well, before I kill that battery, I'll take that goofy air cleaner off of there. Smells gassy. Yep, that took care of that. Did anything. That thing. I know he said he cut the catalytic converter off of it, so I don't have to worry about that. Hoosier 35Ws with soda street stock tires. See if we can get this thing over to the house before it runs out of gas. Lights on. God dang it. That'll suck if I have to go through the interstate. kind of will it run. I have to load it on a trailer, bring it over and hang out with the rest of these guys. Probably get stuck trying to park it here. See how that Hoosier's doing in the snow. We'll go into reverse. Hopefully don't back into my trailer. Oh, that should work right there. Hell, that was pretty exciting. Now I'll just take the journey across the street and get the Tahoe back, walk through my neighbor's yard. Nice thing about a small town, Tahoe's sitting here with the doors open like someone stole it and made a run for it. Oh my God, my hands are cold. Alright, well, there she sat. I don't see any place where things are leaking. Transmission might have been a little low, but not horrible, I don't think. She's in bed for the winter. Got the block heater in case I need to plug it in. Typical body style headlights that are shot. Grill's in really nice shape. Hood's in good shape. Hoosiers are something. I don't know what that tow rope fluid is. Windshield's in good shape. So a lot of good parts on it. Probably all we're going to be able to use it for because of the title issue, but back window's in good shape. Have to see what happens with it. Like I said, I'm going to try and take the motor in that 700 R4 and put it in some other project. We'll see how it goes. Hey, thanks for following along. Our one and only, well, maybe not our one and only, but this is our version of a will it run, because it did run. We drove it home. Hasn't been sitting here that long. I'm freezing. I'm going in the house. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it. Never forget, drive your shit. She's a beaut, Clark.